Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experiences. In this video, we're exploring loansunder36.com, a website dedicated to helping people find loans under $36,000. Navigating the site is straightforward. The homepage presents a clean interface with various loan categories, allowing users to quickly identify the type of loan they need, whether it's a personal loan, a business loan, a debt consolidation loan, or something more specialized. Loan amounts are clearly displayed, ensuring transparency from the outset. One of the key features of loansunder36.com is its focus on connecting borrowers with suitable lenders. They emphasize working with a network of reputable lenders who offer competitive rates and terms. The application process is designed to be streamlined and efficient. You provide your information through a secure platform, and loansunder36.com works to match you with potential lenders based on your individual financial situation. This can save you considerable time and effort compared to applying to multiple lenders individually. Loansunder36.com also offers a wealth of educational resources. They provide articles and guides covering various aspects of borrowing, such as understanding interest rates, managing debt, and improving your credit score. This information can be invaluable for those new to borrowing or looking to improve their financial literacy. They aim to empower borrowers to make informed decisions and choose the best loan option for their needs. It's important to remember that borrowing responsibly is crucial, and loansunder36.com underscores this throughout their site. Furthermore, loansunder36.com emphasizes the importance of comparing loan offers. They highlight the fact that interest rates and terms can vary significantly between lenders, and they encourage borrowers to carefully consider all options before committing to a loan. This focus on comparison shopping can help you secure the most favorable loan terms possible. They also stress the significance of reading the fine print and understanding all the associated fees and charges before signing any loan agreement. Finally, loansunder36.com is committed to providing excellent customer service. They offer various ways to contact their support team if you have any questions or encounter any issues during the application process. This dedication to customer support helps ensure a smooth and positive borrowing experience. Remember to always research and choose borrowing options that align with your financial capabilities.